Okay guys, I was wanting to do a little video. I just bought some baits from Full Boat Baits, and I was just wanting to show you some of the stuff he has. This is his trickworm version, and I've got it on a football head that I made, but it stands up real good. And this is a pumpkin or green pumpkin blue flash, which is one of my favorite colors. And he makes the tail just a little bit smaller, so when you're jiggling it, it has really good action. And I'll come back to the video with his trickworm. I'm sorry, his senko. Okay, this is the black and blue senko style bait. This is my favorite color for the one local lake I use. But I just want to show you the shimmy. There's a certain high-end company that it's hard to find one that's got the shape, but this one does have it. There's a little bit of currents throwing me off a little bit. There we go. This current's messing with me hard. Like I say, it's really hard to find one that's got that good shape to it. And that's black and blue. Give me 1 second while I change the bait real quick. Okay, I think this is a green pumpkin. Green flake. Try a different position. It might like it more dead middle. I might have to move it to see where it likes it at. There it is. Huh. Now if you look at this, I think I'll have to get it out of the water. It likes it hooked. Right there's the rib, and on the long side, or the yeah, the long side, it likes it just a little bit to the right. Right there. You always got to get these just perfect to get them to get that constant shimmy. There it is. So this bait likes it right on the edge. Alright guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Just look him up if you go to the Facebook search, and all you gotta do is type in full boat baits and you'll find him. He's got really good prices. His senkos are $5 for a 10-pack. And his trick worms are everything, mostly everything he has, you'll have to speak with him on it, is usually $5 for a 10-pack. And he, like I said, he does senkos, the trick worm style. And he's a good guy to deal with, and you'll have to check with him on this, but I believe if you spend over $30 you get free shipping, so also check with him on that. So just check him out. Remember, go to Facebook and go to search and just type in full boat baits, and so you have it. There's the name. It comes in a nice package. But like I said, just check him out. Thank you guys.